All right, so this is my progress. I'm almost ready to pull it out. I have a bolt down in the corner and this corner. There's one up here. These are missing. I think I mismatched them last time, but there's two here, one here, one here, one up here, one up here, one down there, one down there. So once I get that done, I'm gonna drop the column here so I can drop the steering wheel, take the dash out, the speedometer and stuff off, and then hopefully I don't have to move this, but then I should be able to pull it out maybe tomorrow or sometime this week, but it took a lot off. And then I'm also gonna take the carpet out because I'm gonna re-dye it. And this is next. This is beautiful, like Alcantara from factory. It's pretty nice. But yeah, we shall see what happens. This is probably the hardest thing I've had to do in a while. Thankfully, I took it off. I'm gonna put some corrosion paint right here because this is an old car, so it's kind of expected. But pretty cool. I got the dash out, so I can start working on it. All right, so seems like there we have it for now. And then I'll put the epoxy on top of it when we do the rest of the stuff, the Alcantara. But I'm gonna let this cure, and I'm gonna finish it off with a little bit of wet sand. But as you can see, it looks a lot better. I'm no professional exactly. I'm just a hobbyist. I like working on cars, and that's actually pretty good. Oh yeah, pretty proud of this. Came out great. I did a little bit of repair on the cover here, but it's not much. So that's gonna be after, maybe later on. But for now, I got these prepped up to start doing the suede, and hopefully it goes well just like the dash did. I decided I'm gonna make a big reveal once everything's in the car, so y'all stay tuned if you are actually interested to learn or just to look at basically a one-off interior for a Supra.